In this video, we explain the designer interface. Let's open the designer view. Once the designer view is open, we see that it has three parts. Let's take a look at each of them. On the far left, we see a list of icons below the Webflow logo. Each of these icons leads us to a subsection enabling us to modify the most important aspects of the site. For example, the Pages tab helps us manage the different pages on our site. The Add Elements tab lets us add elements to our site. The Assets tab lets us manage the photos and videos we have on our site. We'll take a closer look at the left-hand menu in the Give Me More level. On the right-hand side of the screen is the Detailed Settings menu. This menu is useful for managing the parameters of the elements on our pages. For example, let's click on this button on the home page. We see that the right-hand menu displays the properties of this button. This menu will allow us to change the appearance of this specific button. We'll go into more detail on the functionality of the right-hand menu in the Give Me More level. In the middle of the screen is the preview of the current site. This is a representation of what our site would look like if we published it now. In this section, you can modify the appearance of your site. For example, we can modify text and images and add elements. The central view is essentially the canvas we'll fill with content from the left-hand menu, making sure that this content has the correct properties as noted in the right-hand menu. We'll go into more detail on the functionality of the central menu in the Give Me More level. At the top of the screen is a horizontal icon bar. This bar allows us to preview the site in different formats to check that the site displays well on mobile. This menu allows us to publish the site. These features will be covered in detail in the Give Me More level.